Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Thursday, January 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour for the full top down analysis. So, on the monthly, I'm still a big believer that this is going up in a big way. I think this is a 1 2, we're in a wave 3. Eventually, it's probably going to make a 4 and go back up for a wave 5. I still believe this is going to go up and eventually take out these highs and end up looking something along these lines. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it is kind of an odd pattern, but I do believe, especially looking at correlated pairs, that this is a 1. This is 3 waves down for the A. This is 3 waves up for the B, and this is 5 waves down for the C, making this a running flat because the wave B is a higher high and the wave C is a higher high. I think it's a running flat wave 2, and I believe that over the coming weeks, months, this is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and this is all going to be part of that big wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, oh, we got too many fibs here. Let me get rid of that. So on the daily time frame, it looks like the wave 3 could possibly be over, and we do have a little bit of a rejection of structure. So the fact that we have a rejection of structure makes you kind of think that possibly the other count that I have is that the wave 3 actually ends right here, and that this is already an ABC of 4, and that it's already continuing back up for a wave 5. Either way, based on the weekly and monthly time frames, I am very bullish, and I think our primary goal should be to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. Like I said, it would make a lot of sense if this was actually like a WXY or maybe even a flat pattern because this is 3 waves down. This is 3 waves up, and it did look like it does look like it made a three-way pattern down, even though on the shorter time frames I can kind of call it 5 waves. It did make a higher high right here, and it made a little bit of a lower low right there, which kind of makes me wonder if it is a flat pattern, like a expanding flat. But either way, it kind of looks to me like the wave 4 could be already complete, and we may already be going up for the continuation of the uptrend. Some of the other dollar pairs look like they could be in a wave, not a wave 4, but a wave B, that is. And if they are in a wave B, this could possibly be a wave B too. So definitely watch your Fibonacci retracement numbers just in case it does make it a positive down with a break of structure. If it does do that, then I would definitely stop looking for longs and I would start looking for shorts again. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely pretty impulsive up. And like I said, you could count this a few different ways. It definitely could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this move up right here could definitely be a wave B. If it is a wave B, then it would bounce off a fib level, make a big break of structure, big impulsive move down. If this right here really is like an ending expanding flat, like I was explaining on the longer time frames, then yes, it may bounce off some fib levels, but instead of breaking structure, it will probably just continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So what I would be doing is I would be looking for longs, and I would hopefully be learning and earning at the same time, whether this turns into a wave B or whether it just keeps on trending up, continuing the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.